You really wanted to be there.
So in here, we're tearing out all the laminate. I did the shoe mold already, all the way around the house. This stuff's staying, this stuff's staying. Just tearing up all this. Real easy stuff. Once you get the shoe out, we already got the back bedrooms. All this. Then we're gonna come back in here. They're laying carpet. It's an older couple, so this floor was too slippery for them. So they decided to go with carpet in all these rooms. The living room, the master, the hallway, and the 2 rooms. Bedrooms in the back.